Look at that. Open the door to the shop and there's deer in the yard. That's one of the babies. I know where the mom is. Mom's super friendly. So, yeah, okay. Up to the house we go. Okay, so today I have been struggling to find motivation to get down here and start working because it's cold. But I've decided I don't really care for the wiring harness being out here, so we're going to run it through somewhere's inside the truck. So we're going to pull all this out. I guess start with getting the truck cleaned out so that we got space to work in there. And then figure out where we're going to put the fuse box and see about getting it mounted. And then go from there. Alright, so got some room in here, some working room. I don't care for this space over here where the factory one was, but it is a good option. So we will see about putting it in there. Alright, so got the fuse box mounted up in there. Ran the taillight wiring right through there. This is the existing grommet for the e-brake, which I'm no longer using, which is allowing me to put the fuse box up there. Got the headlight switch here, got it all wired up. This connector right here plugs into that, but to use that, I got to put this connector on here. They're just a little bit different. Pins are in the exact same locations. Wait a minute here. But I think because of the thickness of that right there, this won't plug into it. Which is no big deal. I just got to get the tool to pull those pins out. In the end of the world. Headlight switch, headlight clicker. Yeah, so I'm kind of at a standstill on the wiring because, well, it's all tangled, and it's not tangled from me. Because, like, if you see this yellow wire here, which is tangled up, this whole mess. So, I mean, I could pull this wire back through and maybe make it a little better, but everything's kind of just twisted together, and it's really bad. So I need to get some pin removal tools, and remove some pins and straighten some stuff out, make it to where I like it. Yeah, so let's see what we'll do next. Alright, so I'm at a standstill for now, so this is going to be probably a real short video. But yeah, so next time we'll hopefully be able to have the pin connectors, or pin depinning tools to put that in. We'll poke a hole in the firewall, run that through, and then we got to figure out how we want to splice the harness in. And then same with the back, how we want to run all that. Yeah, just getting close to holiday time, so I'm slowing down on my spending on this truck, and yeah, don't have a whole lot to do, so I guess we'll end it here, and see you guys in the next one.